Monsoon is something that mostly invites diseases like common cold and cough. The common cold is always accompanied by a cough and can be quite an irritating condition to deal with. While medication can help reduce the symptoms you experience, a cold has no cure and it takes about 7 days to resolve. So, instead of loading your body with all those chemicals, why not try something natural to beat the discomfort you feel? Here are 5 remedies that work not only to keep the cold and cough at bay but also helps relieve symptoms. 5 home remedies to keep cold and cough at bay. Keep garlic handy. Garlic is packed with antioxidants and is perfect to protect you against a cough and cold. Apart from that, garlic contains a compound known as allicin, which is known to have great antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. Treat your cold and cough with turmeric. Turmeric is rich in curcumin and volatile oils that have a protective as well as a therapeutic action in persons suffering from cold and cough. Haldi also has antiviral and antibacterial activity that can help beat the infection. Drink protective herbal tea. Besides the turmeric tea mentioned above, there are other herbal teas that also help people who suffer from frequent cold and cough. These teas combine the beneficial effects of different ingredients such as pepper, ginger, tulsi and cinnamon to help relieve the symptoms of cold and cough and keep the condition at bay. Homemade medical lozenge. Much before the time of cold and cough medicines, homes in India used to have their own lozenge-like remedies for cough and cold. Not only does this remedy help reduce the irritation you feel in your throat, but it is also a natural way to treat a cough. Steam. A wet cough, which is one that produces mucus or phlegm, may improve with steam. Take a hot shower and bath and allow the bathroom to fill with steam. Stay in the steam for a few minutes until symptoms subside. Drink a glass of water afterwards to cool down and prevent dehydration. So with these home remedies, you can ensure a safe monsoon. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.